Hello, my fabulous queen over 40. Welcome back to Healthy Ladies Over 40, where we talk about all things health, wellness, and keeping our bodies strong and thriving. Today, we are tackling a topic that many of us don't pay attention to until it's too late: bone health. Ladies, let's be honest. When we were younger, we thought bones were just there to hold up the rest of our bodies, like coat hangers.
Yes, we did.
Didn't we? We assumed they would always be strong, unbreakable, and reliable. But then, 40 comes knocking, and suddenly, our knees start making sound effects like an old door.
Don't I know it?
Yup, we then realize that our bones need love too. So today, we are talking about foods that can help keep your bones strong, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and keep you standing tall and confident for years to come. And yes, I'll be sprinkling in some humor, because let's be real, health is serious, but we don't have to be serious all the time.
So, start talking.
I am. Grab your tea, take a seat, and let's dive into the best foods for bone health. 1. Dairy products, the classic bone builders. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this the same thing they told us in school? Yes, but hear me out. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are packed with calcium, which is like the cement that keeps our bones strong. Calcium is what helps prevent our bones from becoming brittle and weak, which is exactly what we need after 40.
Lactose intolerant!
Don't worry, there are lactose-free options and fortified plant-based milks like almond, soy, or oat milk that have added calcium. Pro tip: Greek yogurt is an excellent choice because it's not only rich in calcium but also contains probiotics which are great for digestion. And let's be honest, digestion needs all the help it can get after 40. 2. Leafy greens, because Kumawiki is queen. Ladies, let's give a standing ovation for leafy greens, spinach, collard greens, and our good old Skumawiki, kale, are bone-boosting powerhouses. They are loaded with calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, all of which help keep our bones healthy and strong. And here's the fun part: vitamin K helps reduce the risk of fractures, which means fewer "oops, I fell" moments in our future. So, how do we get more greens into our meals? Throw them into your smoothies, saute them with some garlic, because everything is better with garlic, or add them to soups or stews. Your bones will thank you. 3. Fatty fish, omega-3 goodness for strong bones. I know we all love a good plate of fish, and lucky for us, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, two things that are essential for bone health. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium properly, and omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which can weaken bones over time. For my Kenyan sisters, sardines, omena, are an amazing option. They are not only affordable, but also come with edible bones, which are a natural source of calcium. Talk about eating your way to stronger bones.
Should I be taking notes?
If you want to boo, do you. 4. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty. Sometimes, great things come in small packages, like nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, sesame seeds, and flax seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which help strengthen bones. And here's a fun fact: sesame seeds, especially when ground into tahini, contain a good amount of calcium.
Good to know.
So next time you're making a salad dressing, add a spoon of tahini for an extra bone boost.
Hey, do you enjoy watching this video? Then give me a like and subscribe. Now back to the video.
5. Eggs, the breakfast staple for strong bones. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. They are great for bone health too. The yolk contains vitamin D, which, as we said earlier, helps our bodies absorb calcium effectively. So, if you've been avoiding egg yolks, bring them back. Your bones will appreciate the vitamin D boost. Hold on, girlfriend. Just don't overdo it. Balance is key. 6. Beans and lentils, budget-friendly bone builders. Ladies, beans are not just for making delicious githeri. They are rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and fiber, all of which contribute to bone strength. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are fantastic plant-based sources of these nutrients. Plus, they are budget-friendly, meaning you can eat well without breaking the bank. 7. Bone broth, the ancient secret to strong bones. Our grandmothers knew what they were doing when they made bone broth.
Yes, they did.
Bone broth is packed with collagen, calcium, and amino acids that help support bone strength. Sip on some homemade bone broth or use it as a base for soups and stews. Your joints and bones will thank you. Ladies, taking care of our bones should be a priority, not an afterthought. We want to stay strong, active, and full of life for decades to come. So, let's do a quick recap of the best foods for bone health. Dairy products for calcium, leafy greens for vitamin K, fatty fish for vitamin D, nuts and seeds for magnesium, eggs for vitamin D, beans and lentils for plant-based calcium, bone broth for collagen. And let's not forget, exercise is just as important. Weight-bearing activities like walking, dancing, and strength training help keep our bodies strong. So, move that body.
Strong Zumba, Zumba.
You've got it. So now you know what to eat for stronger bones. Do you know you can also eat your way to anti-aging? We embrace growing older, cause long life is a gift. But girl, we don't have to wear our age, right?
Right.
So check out my video titled Top 10 Anti-Aging Foods Women Over 40. I'll link it in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, click that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite bone healthy food? Or do you have a funny bone related story? Let's chat below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep slaying life like the queens you are. Kwaheri, that's Swahili for goodbye.